Are you tired of the same old AI tools? Well, get ready to be blown away because we're about to unveil 7 game-changing free AI tools that will revolutionize the way you work. Forget about ChatGPT for a moment and prepare to discover a whole new world of possibilities. In this video, we'll dive deep into each tool, exploring their unique features, capabilities, and how they can supercharge your productivity. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or a creative professional, these free AI tools are must-haves in your toolbox. Welcome to Official Tech Expert, your ultimate destination for all things AI. Make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Content. Tool number 1, Videoai. Content creators are always on the lookout for tools that can simplify their workflow and enhance their productivity. Enter Videoai, a game-changing platform designed to transform your full-length YouTube videos into concise 60-second shots with just a few clicks. Videoai offers a seamless solution for converting your full-length YouTube videos into bite-sized 60-second shots. You can simply provide the YouTube link or upload the video file directly from your computer. This functionality saves you time and effort, ensuring you have engaging short segments ready to captivate your audience. Captions are crucial for accessibility and improving user engagement. Videoai goes the extra mile by automatically generating captions for your converted videos. This feature eliminates the need for manual transcription, allowing you to focus on creating compelling content while ensuring inclusivity for all viewers. Once the conversion process is complete, Videoai presents you with segmented shots corresponding to different parts of your original video. Each segment is intelligently identified based on its content, enabling you to navigate through your video effortlessly. Clicking on a segment takes you directly to the corresponding edited portion, streamlining your editing process. Tool number 2, Scribble Diffusion. For those with a creative spirit and a love for doodling, Scribble Diffusion offers a unique platform to turn your simple scribbles into stunning artwork. This web-based tool allows users to express their imagination through doodles and transform them into captivating images. Scribble Diffusion provides a canvas where you can unleash your creativity through doodling. Simply visit the Scribble Diffusion website and start doodling your desired image. Whether it's a landscape, a beloved pet, or an abstract concept, you can freely scribble and bring your ideas to life. After creating your doodle, Scribble Diffusion encourages you to write a sentence that describes the picture. This step adds an element of storytelling and allows you to provide context or convey your vision to others. It's an opportunity to enhance the artistic experience and provide a deeper understanding of your creation. Once you've drawn your doodle and described it with a sentence, Scribble Diffusion works its magic. By leveraging advanced algorithms, the platform interprets your doodle and transforms it into an image that aligns with your description. The transformation process takes your simple doodle and turns it into a visually appealing artwork. Tool number 3, Google Bard. In the world of AI tools, one name that stands out is Google Bard. While ChatGPT has been making waves, Google Bard is emerging as a formidable alternative that comes packed with powerful features and capabilities. Google Bard sets itself apart by providing users with access to the internet, allowing them to tap into the latest information. Whether you're seeking the best smartphone camera in 2023 or any other query, Bard delivers up-to-date answers. No more relying on outdated data. Bard ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Time is precious, and Google Bard understands that. With its intuitive capabilities, you can provide Bard with an article link and request a concise summary in simple words. This feature saves you valuable time by extracting the essence of lengthy articles, enabling you to grasp the main point swiftly. While both Google Bard and ChatGPT have internet access capabilities, it's worth noting that Bard offers this feature for free, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a robust AI tool without the need for a paid variant. As the AI war unfolds, Google Bard's offerings are positioning it as a strong contender in the market. Tool number 4, Beatoven.ai. Copyright strikes can be a major concern for content creators, especially when it comes to incorporating music into their videos. Enter Beatoven. Beatoven utilizes AI algorithms to generate high-quality, royalty-free music tracks. By using this platform, content creators can say goodbye to copyright strikes and legal hurdles associated with using copyrighted music. With Beatoven, you can create original soundtracks that perfectly align with your creative vision. Creating a track with Beatoven is a breeze. Simply visit the website and choose the Create New Track option. Name your track and specify the desired duration and tempo. To cater to your specific preferences, select the genre that best suits your content. Whether you're looking for electronic, energetic, or any other style, Beatoven has you covered. Once your track is generated, Beatoven offers alternative track suggestions that are similar to your chosen creation. This feature allows you to explore variations and find the perfect match for your project. Tool number 5, Tome. Creating captivating presentations often requires considerable time and effort. However, with the emergence of AI-powered tools, the process has become more streamlined and accessible. Tome is a remarkable tool designed for students, teachers, and professionals that simplifies presentation creation. Tome's standout feature lies in its ability to generate presentations from a single prompt. By visiting the Tome website and providing a prompt, such as "presentation on the solar system," Tome leverages the power of ChatGPT and DALL-E to automatically create a comprehensive set of slides. Each slide corresponds to various aspects of the given topic, including an introduction, summary, and more. This feature eliminates the need for manual slide creation, saving valuable time and effort. Tool number 6. Flare, for freelancers and graphic designers seeking a versatile and user-friendly tool for image manipulation and design. Flare.ai is a game-changer. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Flare empowers users to create stunning visuals without the need for complex software or extensive design skills. Using Flare is a breeze. Visit the Flare.ai website and easily upload your image by dragging and dropping it onto the platform. Flare will prompt you to remove the background and provide a one-word prompt to describe the image. This step ensures that Flare understands the context and can generate relevant design templates. Once the image and prompt are provided, Flare presents a wide range of design templates on the left-hand side of the interface. From professional business cards to captivating social media graphics, Flare offers an extensive collection of templates to suit various design needs. Simply choose a template that resonates with your vision and hit the Generate button. One of the standout features of Flare is its commitment to offering a watermark-free and copyright-free experience. Once you generate your design, you have full ownership and control over the output. Whether you're a freelancer, graphic designer, or a creative individual, Flare enables you to produce high-quality visuals without any limitations. Tool number 7. RunwayML. In the digital era, video editing has become an integral part of content creation. With the emergence of AI technology, editing videos has become even more accessible and efficient. RunwayML is a cutting-edge online video editor that harnesses the power of AI to enhance your video content. RunwayML offers a wide array of AI-powered tools under its AI Magic Tools section. These tools empower you to elevate your video content with advanced functionalities. You can remove the background from your videos, blur out faces for privacy, eliminate unwanted silences, and much more. These tools enable you to enhance the visual and auditory aspects of your videos effortlessly. One standout feature of RunwayML is its ability to remove unwanted elements from your videos. For instance, if you have a video where an unsightly object or background element distracts from the main focus, you can easily remove it. By selecting the In Painting option and using the Brush tool, you can paint over the object or background and let RunwayML automatically remove it frame by frame. Congratulations! You've just uncovered the hidden gems of the AI world. We hope you're as excited as we are about these 7 free AI tools that are ready to revolutionize your work. But wait, there's more. We're constantly on the lookout for the latest and greatest in AI technology, and we can't wait to share even more incredible tools and insights with you. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll explore new ways to amplify your productivity, streamline your workflow, and take your work to new heights. Thank you for joining us on Official Tech Expert today. We hope you enjoyed our tech-filled adventure and found our videos enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, we're here to be your trusted source of tech expertise, and we're committed to bringing you new and exciting content on a regular basis. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a moment of the latest tech trends, gadget reviews, and helpful tips. We value your feedback, so please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. Is there a specific tech topic you'd like us to explore? Let us know, and we'll make it happen. Together, let's continue to embrace the wonders of technology and unlock the possibilities that lie ahead. Stay tuned for more thrilling tech adventures, right here on Official Tech Expert. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the world of tech.